Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, I went hiking at Meru Forest in Oltoroto, Tanzania. As you can see, we started the hike and we found wild berries. They were so yummy and fresh. There they are. Oh, then I saw this comedian looked like he was dancing to the beats of the music.
Dat mag je zelf.
So you know that saying where they say there's light at the end of the tunnel? This was literally my day. The hike, the stairs, the climbing of rocks was hectic. But at the end, we got to see the waterfall, which you're about to see in this video. So this is me just showing you what it was like to get there, the path. So before we got there, we saw this man by the house. And we were able to see the water at some point, as you can see. So it gave us hope that we're almost there. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so... This is me just showing you guys what it looks like inside. Beautiful scenery. We saw this mini waterfall again and we took pictures, which you see at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Found wild berries again. Of course I took some and had to take a video for you guys, so yeah. So finally guys, this is the main waterfall. I don't talk too much, just enjoy the video and the sound, nature, in tune with it. Wanted to show you guys this cute picture I took with one of the mini waterfalls, and this one as well. Yeah, it's such a beautiful experience. This main waterfall again. The place was quite packed, not so packed. I planned to swim, but the water was so cold, really cold, and it rained earlier, so the weather was quite cold. But as you can see, the sunlight came in later on, which is great. So yeah, the total hike took almost 3 hours. Yeah, this is on my way back because we hiked there. Of course, you gotta come back, so we hiked back, and it's me climbing down. You're about to see that. Yeah, beautiful place. I really enjoyed my experience. It was great. People were nice, and I got help from this guy. You're about to see, was really nice, and so I was studying sometimes. This offered to time help me out. So yeah. There you go guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next. I'll try to do more vlogs and be more active, I promise. And there will be a new video coming up next week. Subscribe. Bye.